is going on, guys? Abstract Gaming here, time for another episode. In this episode, I will be playing Kill the Plumber. This is basically a version of Mario where you play as the Goomba, and yeah, you have to try to kill Mario. I've already played the first 6 levels, as you see, because those were like tutorial levels, and those are always boring. So now let's get started, and let's do this. Let's go. So come on. All right. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Okay, wait. Yeah, there we go. Get out of here, Mario. This is my town. Oh, 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 come on, no. Oh, okay, go. No. All right, what do I have to do? Run. Run. No. Go. What? Maybe should I do? Should I like run all the way? Okay. This is difficult. Yeah, there we go. Next level, what do we get? 3 stars. All right, I'll take it. New best. Wow. All right, let's go. All right, I can double jump with W. Oh. Oh, yeah, what? No. All right, I think I have to like jump on top of him. Run into him. Yeah, there we go. Just body slam him. Get footballed, bro. Oh. Gotta survive this. Oh, I died. All right, just avoid him. Avoid him. Avoid him. Avoid him. Oh. You'll never get me, Mario. Oops, nope, he's getting me. Go. 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 Jump. Jump. Don't come on. Yes. Easy. I'm brushing all this dust off my shoulder. Oh, jump. I lost. Yep, it's over for me. Don't you touch that flag. Aw. No, jump. Yeah, there we go. You don't touch the flag today. Let's do this. Oh, come on. Yeah. No. Oh, you think you're good? Good. Come on. Let's go, Mario. You're going down. What? Okay. Go. What? No. Okay. I got this. Go. No. Oh. Like I licked him. That's how close I was. I licked him. I licked his neck. Go. Okay. This is super difficult. Oh. Okay, here we go again. Oh, nope. Uh, 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 uh. I can do this. Cue the epic music.
Run.
Yes! Woo! I'm easy. Let's do this. So, okay, so I have to press down and make this thing go down. Ha! Oh, that was brutal. So brutal. All right, next level. Oh, yeah, give me those 3 stars. Oh, he's going to fake me out. Ah, perfect timing. Woo! Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, it's like a puzzle. Okay. Oh, go. No. Okay, go. Puzzle. Go. Oh, yes. That is so brutal. You ain't going nowhere, Mario. You ain't going nowhere. No. Now you ain't going nowhere. Okay, so gotta go like that. That. Oh! Fatality. All right, let's go. Come on. YOLO tomahawk throw. Oh, that would have hit. YOLO tomahawk throw. Ha! Ha! No! No! YOLO! Kawaii! No! Aw, man. Okay. Go!
Fatality.
Oh! Get wrecked. I'm the best. Oh. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Come run into my axe. Run into it. Yeah! 2 stars. Alright, I guess I'll take it. Axe. Oh, what? What? You shoot fire? What? 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 Oh, I can just land on him. I didn't know that. I thought I was supposed to hit him with my axe. Axe powers to go. Oh, oh. What? No. He's freaking like Goku on me. Don't be like Goku. Goku, no. Alright, land on him. Go. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Go, axe. No. Alright, axe time. Yeah! That's how we do it, boy. Alright, let's keep going with this. Oh, I'm a bomb? Explosion! Oh. Explosions! Yeah! Maybe I'll think about messing with me another day. Let's go, come on. Oh, oh, oh! Oh! Let's keep going. Oh, you got nothing on me. Oh, you do got something. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. You'll never kill me. Oh, I died. What? Wait, what? How did I win? I was just hiding in the corner. Like, I don't know. What? Yeah, you know what? I'll take it. Oh, okay. Oops. Okay. Yeah, no, oh. No. Fatality. What? Okay, okay. I'm trying to figure out how am I supposed to do this. What is your significance? What is your significance? Go. 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 Alright. Jump. Oh, I have to bounce him up to me. Alright, I got it now. Alright. Jump. I think I have. I think I'm supposed to bounce him up. No. What? Alright, bounce you up. Nope. Okay, I missed. Bounce you up. Alright. Bounce. Okay, that's what I have to do. I have to bounce him up and then explode. Ah, dang. Alright. Go, 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 go. Ah! Go, go. Oh, oops. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Oh, so close. I can do it. Oh, man. Alright. Come on. Oh! Let's go. That was awesome. Oh, what is this? Whoa. Whoa, I can fly? Oh, that's cool. I'm like a ghost now. Whoa. Oh, 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 oh. What? Oh, I have to beat him. I have to beat what? 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 Oh, oh, you're gonna get wrecked. What? Okay. What are you doing, Ghost? What? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Okay, I'm invisible now. What are you gonna do for me? Come on, go, go, go. Oh, why do you do this? Go. Alright, I'm invisible. Just gotta stop. Then I cut you off. Like, no! I have no idea how to do this. I think I'm going to end the episode for today. If you do want to see more of this game, please comment down below and request it. Because like I said, my rule, keep in mind, first person to put a comment requesting a game for me to play will most likely get the game to be played. So, yeah, just comment down below because still we have World 3, Lost Levels, so much more to do. So, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and share my channel with your friends because I'll be much appreciated. Shout out to my friends. Yeah, the shout outs. Illuminix Gaming and Dogs Are Better Than Cats. I will see you all next time and have an awesome day.